Hello, dear friends. It's Vinod, and welcome in Indian Talent Academy. Today we are teaching accounting, and in accounting, this is a 10th part, journal entry tutorial part 10. If you want to see 9 part, just go to in my website, official website svtuition.org and search journal entry tutorials. Okay, in this part uh, this is a journal entry. What is a journal entry? If same company is a debtor and creditor for your company, suppose you are company A and you buy from B company. Okay, this is your creditor. This is your creditor. You buy 50,000 goods from B on credit. Both are on credit. Okay, and your company A company sells to B company at $1 lakh on credit. So this is also debtor. B company is your debtor and B company is your creditor. At that time, what journal entry will pass? First of all, we make it two entries. When we buy, we enter the buy entries, and if we sell, we pass the journal entry of selling. When buy on credit, it means we buy from B company. What comes in? Increase in the asset, we get the goods. So purchase account debit with $50,000 and B company account credit, because he is giver. Okay, and our liability is increased. B company is our liability. We have to pay $50,000 to him. Account credit. Okay. Next, when sell, at that time B company is our debtor. He has to take the money. Okay, because he has to get the same money, and our responsibility to get money. Okay, from B. We have to get the money from B, so it is increase in the asset. Increase in the asset. So B company account debit with 1 lakh and sale account credit, means decrease in the asset. We sell it material. Suppose this is mobile, we sold it. So this its quantity and value decreased from our balance sheet. So it is credit in the form of sale. Decrease material asset. Okay, this is 10,000. 1 lakh dollars. Sorry. Okay, and third is adjustment entry. We calculate net amount which we get at the time when we pays or we pays to our creditor 50,000. We get 1 lakh. So net amount $1 lakh minus $50,000. Net is 50,000. We will receive in the bank account. Okay, so entry will pass. This is an entry. We have to pay. So B company. This is a creditor. Account debit 50,000. It means we have paid. Okay, and after this we also get a bank account. Net amount receive. Account debit. This is also 50,000. Okay, from what, from which person will pay? Also B company as a debtor, because we sold $1 lakh products to him. B company as a debtor. Account credit. Okay, this is the third entry. With this you can finish the accounts. Creditor we paid, debtor 1 lakh, also we receive the money. Okay, like this, and the net amount also debit, which is our asset. Bank account is assets, and this is a decrease in the liability is our asset, and in B company as a debtor is a decrease in the asset, because once we get the 1 lakh from B as a debtor, we did not again get from B. Okay, same in the balance sheet, our this asset will decrease, so it must be credited. Okay, hope you will like this video. Thank you very much.